1.9% financing. Dual sunroofs. DVD player. Leather. GM certified 2012 Chevrolet Traverse 2 LT in the house. Silver ice metallic W black heated leather seating. 3.6 L56 engine under the hood. 6 SPD automatic transmission. Carfax 1 owner. No accidents. Let's go over all the funyuns on this loaded up Traverse. Power glass sunroof W second row skylight. DVD entertainment for your sweet little angels. BOSE premium sound. Rear vision camera system. Second row captain seating. Third row 3 passenger. Bluetooth. 18 machined aluminum wheels. Remote starter. 3 free months ONSTAR. 3 free months XM radio. 2 years 30,000-mile maintenance plan covers your oil changes and tire rotations for the first 2 years. But wait, internet shoppers, there is more. You also get a 48-month 48,000-mile bumper too.